Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the kitchen staples that every home chef should consider. Muir Glen Organic Diced Tomatoes, 28 ounces. If you're in search of the best diced tomatoes to elevate your cooking, you've come to the right spot. Let's explore what makes these tomatoes truly stand out. Muir Glen has a solid reputation when it comes to organic products, and their diced tomatoes are no exception. Available in a convenient 28-ounce can, these tomatoes are rich, juicy, and bursting with flavor. What really sets Muir Glen apart is their commitment to using USDA-certified organic tomatoes. These tomatoes are grown without synthetic fertilizers or pesticides, ensuring that you're adding a healthy, nutritious ingredient to your meals. Take a look at these diced tomatoes. Their vibrant red color and firm texture promise to enhance any dish you prepare. Whether you're making chili, pasta sauce, or a refreshing salsa, these tomatoes provide a rich and robust flavor that can transform your everyday recipes into culinary delights. Using Muir Glen organic diced tomatoes is incredibly easy. Simply open the can, and you're ready to go. They're perfect for soups, stews, and casseroles where you want to achieve that delicious, homemade taste without the hassle. The balance of sweetness and acidity in these tomatoes really shines through, making them a versatile addition to a variety of dishes. Look at these incredible dishes I've prepared. From a flavorful marinara sauce to a hearty chili, these diced tomatoes add that essential zing that your recipes need. Plus, they come with sustainability features, which means you're not just enjoying great food, but you're also making an environmentally friendly choice. One of the things I particularly appreciate is that Muir Glen supports sustainable farming practices. This means that every can of diced tomatoes you buy contributes to a healthier farming ecosystem. So, you can feel good about what's on your plate. In summary, Muir Glen organic diced tomatoes are a fantastic choice for anyone looking to elevate their meals with quality ingredients. At an affordable price point, you get a product that's not only delicious but also responsibly sourced. I highly recommend keeping a few cans in your pantry. They will become your go-to for all your cooking needs. Thanks for tuning into Product Critique. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights into your favorite products. Why don't you give Muir Glen organic diced tomatoes a try, and let us know how they elevate your cooking. Until next time, happy cooking.